We're going to take a look at changing the paper buckle settings on a Ricoh SP C360. You might want to change this if when the film is feeding into the printer it is skewing to one side near the end, or if it's lifting off the tray, and any of these can cause the print to move upwards or downwards towards the end of the plate. So to change the paper buckle setting, we're going to go into the service mode. So to do that, we hold the up and down buttons for 5 seconds, and then on 6 we press OK. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and OK. So we'll find this in the engine settings, in feed, and go across to paper buckle. And we are looking for 003004 bypass standard speed, mid speed A, and mid speed B. So all three settings are for the bypass tray. The number in brackets down below is the default. So we are going to set all three of these to plus 5.5. So if you press OK, you get the little cursor to edit the numbers, and up and down to change the values, and on the sign as well. So plus 5.5 and then OK to set. So we'll do the same here. OK to set, and standard speed. Okay, so that's bypass standard, mid speed A and mid speed B all set to 5.5. So we're going to escape all the way back to the previous menu and OK to end. So that's the value set.